Good morning, student. This is Kavita Khanna, social science teacher from Bright Scholar Sr.Sec.School. Welcome to Digital Learning. Today, I will take up the chapter 2 of civics, that is Federalism. Chapter 2, Federalism. Now, first of all, before starting the Federalism, let me explain what is the meaning of federalism. Federalism is a system of governance in which the power is divided between central authority and various constituent units of the country. It means the division of powers of the government into various units, just like union government, state government and local government. This mechanism is known as federalism. Now, the next is, what are the features of federalism? So, dear students, there are the few features of the federalism. Number one, dual government, supremacy of constitution, constitutional amendment, independency of courts, financial autonomy, dual objective of federalism. Now, I am going to explain all these features one by one. Number one, dual government. Dual government means there are two or more than two levels of the government. As we can see here, union government, state government and the local government. So, this is known as dual government. Now, our next is supremacy of the constitution. What it means? From where these governments drive the powers. From where they get the powers. They get the powers, or you can say that their powers are clearly mentioned in the constitution. So whatever powers are written in constitution, this government has to follow the same in as it is form or in as it is manner. The next is constitutional amendment. Constitutional amendment means whatever powers are given in our constitution, can we change that power? Or can any one government, as per its own wish, they can do the amendment in constitution? So, dear student, they can't. Any government cannot change the fundamental provisions of the government. To do the amendment of the government, the mutual consent of both the governments of both the levels are required. We can do amendment with the mutual consent only. So this comes under the category of constitutional amendment. Now our next is interdependency of the court. What it means? If there is any type of dispute between central and the state government, the court has to settle down that dispute. For example, interstate water disputes in India. Now next is financial autonomy. Financial autonomy means what? The sources of revenue of each and every level are clearly mentioned in the constitution. For example, income tax, excise duty, etc. are collected by union government or the central government, whereas land revenue, stamp duty, etc. comes under the category of state level or state government. So this is called financial autonomy. And the last is dual objective of federalism. Dual objective of federalism means federalism has two main objectives. Number one, it has to safeguard and promote the unity of the country. What it means? It has to safeguard and promote unity of the country, and second, to accommodate regional diversities. These are two main objectives of federalism. I repeat, to safeguard and promote the unity of the country. This is the main objective. And the last objective is to accommodate the regional diversity, because our India is full of diversity. Got it, student? So this is all about my topic, and I hope this topic, federalism and its features, are clear to you. Now your homework is this: you have to write this question in your fair notebook, and your questions is, what makes India a federal country? Explain in detail. I repeat, what makes India a federal country? Explain this question in detail in your fair notebook. Thank you, student. Stay at home, stay healthy. God bless you all.